ومن يتول الله ورسوله والذين آمنوا فإن حزب الله هم الغالبون.
All those who accept Allah and His Messenger and the believers as their allies should remember that the party of Allah will be triumphant.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا الذين اتخذوا دينكم هزوا ولعبا من الذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبلكم والكفار أولياء واتقوا الله إن كنتم مؤمنين.
Believers, do not take for your allies those who make a mockery and sport of your faith, be they those given the book before you or other unbelievers. Fear Allah if you indeed believe.
وَإِذَا نَادَيْتُمْ إِلَى الصَّلَاةِ اتَّخَذُوهَا هُزُوًا وَلَعِبًا ذلك بأنهم قوم لا يعقلون.
And when you are called to pray, they take it for a mockery and sport. That because they are a people who do not understand.
قل يا أهل الكتاب هل تنقمون منا إلا أن آمنا بالله وما أنزل إلينا وما أنزل من قبل وأن أكثركم فاسقون.
Say to them, people of the book, do you hate us for anything else except that we believe in Allah and in the teaching which has been revealed to us and in the teaching which was revealed before? Indeed, most of you are transgressors.
قل هل أنبئكم بشر من ذلك مثوبة عند الله من لعنه الله وغضب عليه وجعل منهم القردة والخنازير وعبد الطاغوت أولئك شر مكانا وأضل عن سواء السبيل.
Then say to them, shall I tell you about those whose retribution with Allah will be even worse? They are the ones whom Allah has cursed and have incurred His wrath, and some of whom were changed into apes and swine, and who served the false deities. Such have an even worse rank and have strayed farther away from the right path.